All right, welcome back. We're going to be doing a oil change on my 2001 90 Honda 4-stroke outboard. First thing you do, the actual drain plug is on the right side of the motor. You got to take off this little cover, and on some you can actually flip this around and use this as a drain to deflect the oil to come off, but this model definitely doesn't have that. I thought it did. It's more square, but modified this little water bottle, Costco water bottle. So I'll just have it sort of like this just to deflect it to come down so it's not just coming all down the motor. So yeah, let's drain it. It uses a, where's it go? I already got the bolt. A 1/2-inch socket to get that bolt off, and we should be good to go. You should also, after it starts going, you remove the the cap up there where you fill the oil, and just to give it a little bit more. So just break it a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't shoot out. I don't know when the last time this was changed. The guy said it was recently changed, but I haven't believed anything he said. Watch out, there's a little O-ring that comes out. There's no metal on it, on the screw either, which is good. But it should be about 4.8 quarts sitting in here. But so far so good. I'm trying not to wear good clothes. I got really nice running shoes and shorts on, and this is really black. So that definitely wasn't changed in the last couple years. There was a maintenance done that he showed in 2017, the previous owner. But when I changed the lower unit oil, it was like gray, and that made me feel he was completely lying that he also did the oil on here. So I'm going to be doing all new 4.8 quarts and the oil filter change. If you're just doing the oil change, it's 4.2 with these 90s. If you do oil and filter, it's 4.8 quarts. So that's, make sure you have plenty of towels too. Just let that sit. So here's the screw that came out, and the washer has a little bit of metal on it. You guys probably can't see, but I can feel it. I think you're supposed to replace these, but I definitely do not have one to replace it, so I'm just gonna try to clean it the best I can. Place it back on.
Oh, you got it out. Stay right there.
Say hey to the camera.
Oh, fine.
So that's all the oil. Got actually a weird, gross bubble to it, but this worked really well. Shot out just like that. All right, now we got to get this filter off. Hopefully I can get it off. If I can get it off by hand, it'll be great, which I think I can. Yep, that's good. Need a towel. Get a towel under here. Hopefully I got the right filter. These filters have changed over the years because they no longer make certain ones. That's that filter. And it looks to be the exact same, which is this 15400 PLM AO2PE. I think they make an AO2E or P, and you want this one that's the PE for these 0190s. This is the oil we'll be using. It's the SA10W30. And you can also, find it right here. It shows you what you need. The 4.2 is without the filter. So if you get a new filter, you need 4.8. So first, you need to wet the new O-ring. Get my knife. Always have a pocket knife. You don't want to use the old oil. You want to use the new stuff. Put your finger, get it around that O-ring gasket. Do this with cars and motorcycles and everything. Just hand tighten it. We're not going to over tighten or anything, because you want to be able to get it off next time. Hand tighten sort of as much as you can go. And that's good. All right. So here we got the 1 gallon, which is 4 quarts, and you got to get an extra 1 quart, but we're only going to do down to 800. So 4.8. Try not to do this too fast because it is at an angle. And look, we got another sealed little thing. Zipper. Hopefully, don't get this anywhere. Very slowly. And it helps to have this longer funnel just for that angle.
I picked it out.
Did you? I don't remember that, but props to you for getting a longer one. While you're filling, check that other screw down there. Make sure no oil is coming out. If it is, you need to tighten it, otherwise you're gonna be wasting oil. It's gonna take a while. To the rim. Now just check the dipstick level. Wipe off that first one. Looks like it's all the way full for sure. That's clean. And it's all the way to the top, so. She's good. And that's how you change the oil on a 2001 90. Like, comment, subscribe.